Hi, my friends. Welcome to another healthy recipe today. My name still remains Ngozi Titi. So, what you see boiling in my pot is green plantain. And if you know green plantain, the OGs, you will know that green plantain has a resistant starch that will not spike your sugar. And what does that mean? That means it controls your diabetes. So it has a diabetic control, benefits. It also contains potassium. So what does that mean? It will also control your blood pressure. This same green plantain, I mean the unripe plantain, contains vitamin A, it contains vitamin C, it contains vitamin B6, it contains magnesium, it contains dietary fiber, the list keeps going. And all these nutrients and vitamins combine to boost your immune system. So a ripe plantain is highly beneficial for the body. Okay, it also can boost, if there's a situation of low sperm count, it can help to boost it. Of course, why not with all these vitamins? Okay, so if you want to know how I made this particular recipe, then you keep watching. So I got me the some unripe plantains from my grocery store. Yeah, the unripe ones. Okay, don't let it ripe. So the green ones, as much as you can lay your hands on. So what I did was to cut them into pieces. Now, just as a side note, unripe plantains can be prepared in different forms. You can roast them, you can fry them like crunchy chips. Okay, you can boil them the way I just did. Just go ahead and do you. Okay, so there are a variety of ways. Excuse me, oh my god. Excuse me. So you can go ahead and prepare it the way you want, but in this particular recipe I went with the boiling method. So after cutting them into sizable chunks, like you can see, don't bother to remove the back. If you want to, it's up to you, but you know what, when it is boiled, it is super easy. Okay, that's what I found out. That was what I grew up doing. Okay, so I now wash them. Wash your food. These are all basic kitchen hygienes. So I now put them inside my pot and then put water. Voila! What can be as easy as this? Oh my goodness. You thought it was rocket science? No way. It is as easy as you just heard me explain and as you can see on your screen. Yes. And I just covered my pot, and that's it. Here it is boiling. Voila, ding dong, it's done. That's it. So enjoy your boiled plantain however you want. But on this day, this was the family dinner, and I made this sauce, red oil spicy sauce. Okay, so in another video I'm going to explain to you how I made this sauce. So this is not your regular sauce, this is not your everyday sauce. When you talk of boiled yam, boiled plantain, this is the kind of sauce that goes with it. And just for a side note, you can use just only palm oil with salt, and that's it. Yeah, we do like that sometimes, but if you want to go a step further, you want to be a little bit extra, okay, so you can go ahead and make your sauce a bit fancy dandy, like you can see. Okay, so don't worry, in another video I'm going to explain to you and give you all the ingredients, and my ingredients of course will always be intentional. You guys know me, okay? So I select my ingredients, being intentional about it. Okay, so what are we preaching here? All we are saying and preaching since morning is that let your food be your medicine, and eat your food as though it is your medicine. Okay, so make wise choices, eat well, stay healthy, because we love you from this channel. And if you have watched up until this time, that means you're enjoying our recipe, and I want to encourage you to click that red button that shows subscribe if you have not done so before now. Click the bell sign, it will show you different options. Choose the one that says all. That way you will get all my notifications anytime I upload a video. So never you miss a video, because you never can tell the one that you might use to help somebody. Okay, so help somebody and somebody will help another person and will spread the good news. I don't hide updates, so that's why I have come to give you this update. And I want to say bye bye. See you in another video. Love you.